Ladies and gentlemen and vector graphic designers, we're going to do the Pear challenge. So let's open that thing up into Inkscape and let's see what we can do. All right, so here is the Pear challenge. So the idea of this is we're going to draw this pear. We're going to draw it perfect, and whoever can draw it the very fastest, who records themselves doing it, and I can watch them do it, and it's perfect, and they're the fastest gets a donut. The top three win donuts. Don't worry, I will get the donuts to you somehow. All right, so the first thing we need to do is zoom in on the pear. We're going to go to Layer, Layers. We're going to make sure we're on the drawing layer. And so we're going to start right here with AA. So we're going to go to the Bezier curve tool. And so you go right here, there's the node. So you click and you drag to the handle. And then you go right here, you click, drag to the red, shift, drag to yellow, release them both. And then we're going to click on the node, drag to the red, shift, drag to the yellow, and release. Click, drag, press shift on the keyboard, drag, release, release, click, drag, shift, drag. We release both the shift and the mouse. Click, drag, release. So now we don't have to use, these are not corners, so we're not hitting shift anymore. So we're going to click, drag, release, click, drag, click, drag, click, drag, and to finish it off, we got to click on there, on the existing node, and we're going to drag right there. All right, and that's it. So the next step is we have to get in a gradient. So in order to get in a gradient, we're going to come over here to the gradient tool, and then we choose a very pearish color. So that's like a pear-like color. And then we make sure that we're on the radial gradient. And so then we're going to click. Oh, no, let's try it again. So we select the pear, select the gradient tool, and select a color, and we click and we drag. Okay, and so then so now we're going to select this handle, and we're going to select the next color. So I'm going to choose a darker color, not that dark. Let's try a lighter color. So this let's try a little bit lighter. Okay, and so then you can click and drag, and it adjusts the gradient. Okay. And so that's it. So this is the completed pear. If you want to do this stuff, you can. But this is just the outline is what we're doing for the pear challenge. Okay. So you're going to get points for turning in all the projects, the pear plus all the tutorials. But if you want to win donuts, you have to record yourself doing it, and you have to show me that it's perfect, and you have to show me that how fast you did it. Okay. Let's go to the spiel here and see what it says. Okay, so this is for donuts. Record yourself doing it and send it to me. The top fastest win. It has to be perfect to win, but it also has to be the fastest to win. All right. Next, let's do the turn in the scoring guide for all these things. So if you look at the scoring guide, it's going to look something like this. You had to do all the lesson 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus the pear. Okay, so turn these things in through Canvas, or if you are seeing me, show them to me. All right, now let's go to the next assignment, which is the Freestyle Challenge. So there's another challenge worth donuts. So this is going to be you guys voting. So next week we're all going to vote on the best one. So we need to follow the scoring guide for this one. And basically, you have to draw something using Inkscape that exists in the real world. Like Batman or aliens or unicorns, like something that exists that I can recognize. So you have to use the curve tool to make straight lines. Use the curve tool to make Bezier curves. Use the pencil tool to make freehand lines. You can find the pencil tool. Draw a basic shape. Draw with the brush tool. Add fill color, add stroke color, change the stroke weight. The artwork has to look like something in the real world, so play around with it. whoever has the best one. The top 3 win. I think I'll let you guys choose, but we'll find out. All right, that's it for these lessons.